This video guide is about getting rid of the fake human verification alerts that are related to the site editormoney.com. So the site editormoney.com is absolutely fake and deceptive. It tries to trick users into clicking on a special allow button, supposedly to help users confirm that they are humans and not robots. But to click on allow is dangerous. This may hijack the browser with a lot of pop-up advertisements that will be attacking the screen in the form of push notifications. So if you have mistakenly clicked on allow, fix your browser by going to the menu Settings, choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings, go down to Permissions to choose Notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. So remove this editormoney.com from the list and remove other deceptive sites if you find them here. Finally, I would recommend that you thoroughly research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and begin researching your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.